Welcome to the Agent Profile section in ActoSync. This section allows you to manage all your AI agents from a single dashboard. At the top, you can view your currently created agents, the total number of agents allowed under your subscription package, and the available tools that can be assigned to each agent. Creating an AI agent in ActoSync is simple and quick. To create a new agent, click the Create Agent button. First, enter the agent name. Next, add a short agent description to explain the purpose of the agent. Then, select the appropriate persona for the agent. The persona defines how the AI agent behaves, responds, and interacts with users. After selecting the persona, choose the tools you want to assign to the agent from your connected integrations and available tools list. Once all information is completed, click Save Agent. Your AI agent is now ready to use. After creation, all agents will appear in the Agent Profile table, where you can manage them easily. You can edit agent settings at any time, update personas or tools, and disable agents whenever required based on your business needs. ActoSync gives you complete flexibility to create, manage, and scale intelligent AI agents for your organization.